Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Restoring your Outlook autofill email addresses is a common task when the suggested names list suddenly disappears. This feature is technically called the autocomplete list, and it stores addresses you have previously typed. To fix this, first check your settings by clicking on the File tab at the top left of your Outlook window. Select Options and then click on the Mail category in the sidebar. Scroll down until you see the Send Messages section. Look for the checkbox that says Use Autocomplete List to suggest names when typing in the to CC and BCC lines. Ensure this box is checked and click OK. If it was already checked, you might need to reset the feature by toggling it off and on again. Another reason your list might be missing is a corrupted cache file. You can find this file by navigating to your local app data folder on your computer. Look for the Microsoft folder and then the Outlook folder. Inside a folder named Roam Cache, you will see files starting with the word stream followed by autocomplete. If you recently switched computers, you may need to copy these files from your old hard drive to your new one to bring back your history. Sometimes, simply sending a single email to a contact will force Outlook to start remembering that specific address again. If you are using an Exchange account, your list should sync automatically, but it can take a few minutes to load after a fresh installation. Following these simple steps ensures your daily email workflow stays fast and efficient without any manual typing required for your contacts.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.